Hello everyone. Good morning to everyone. So myself G. Navin Kumar, working as a assistant professor in civil engineering department, Mallareddy Engineering College. Okay, Mallareddy Engineering College. So today we are going to discuss about the types of supports and beams. Okay, so before going to start these types of supports and beams, first of all, we have to know the definition of beam. So first of all, we have to know the definition of beam. So what is beam? Beam is a horizontal member which carries the transfer loads. That means the beam should be in horizontal position. So it carries the loads perpendicular to its axis. The type of structure we can call as beam. So that is the definition of beam. Next, we are going to discuss about the different types of supports. The supports are mainly classified into three types. In that, the first one is roller support. This roller support resists the only vertical forces. That means this support does not resist the horizontal as well as movement. So only one vertical force it is resisted. For example, if you take any self-weight of the structure, that is the example for the roller support. So here the number of reactions are 1, that is vertical. Okay. Next support is hinged support. This hinged support is also called as pinned support. This support offers resistance against the horizontal and vertical, but this support does not resist the movement. So here the number of reactions are 2. So example for this support is doors. Doors or windows are the example of hinged support. Coming to third support, fixed support. So fixed support. The fixed support. This support offers resistance against the horizontal, vertical and movement. Okay na? The next topic is types of beams. Types of beams. The beams are classified into 5 types. The first one is cantilever beam. Second one is simply supported beam. Third one is overhanging beam. The fourth one is fixed beam. The last one is continuous beam. So one by one we will discuss now. First, cantilever beam. So cantilever beam. A beam which is fixed at one end and free at other end, that type of beam we can call as cantilever beam. We can see the graphical representation of beam in the slide. Okay. Next is simply supported beam. A beam supported at rest freely on the two supports, then the beam is known as simply supported beam. Then the beam is known as simply supported beam. The next third one is overhanging beam. Overhanging beam. So if end portion of the beam is extended beyond the support, that type of beam we can call as overhanging beam. Next one, fixed beam. This fixed beam is also called as built-up beam, and this beam, both the ends are fixed. Then the beam is known as fixed beam. We can see the figure in the slides. Continuous beam. Last one is continuous beam. The more than two spans, the more than two supports, or more than two supports, or more than two spans, that type of beam we can call as continuous beam.